Welcome to TLH Patterns. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet a Christmas gnome which measures about 7 inches high and 4 inches wide. I used a small amount of sport weight yarn in grey, red and white. Along with it, I used a 3 mm crochet hook. You will need a stitch marker, some fiberfill for stuffing, yarn needle, a 12 mm wooden bead, scissors, and a tiny pom-pom. You will also need a small piece of cardboard. First, using your grey yarn, make a magic ring. Insert hook into the ring, pull yarn and work a chain, and then work 8 single crochets into the ring. We'll start the next round. We will not be joining at the end of each round. So in the next round, work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. There will be 16 single crochets in this round. In the third round, we'll increase a stitch in every alternate stitch. Remove the marker, work a single crochet in the first stitch. Place the marker. Two single crochets in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch. 2 in the next. One stitch in the next stitch. Repeat this around. You will have 24 stitches. After this, work 2 more rounds of increase, increasing 8 stitches in each round. I have completed 5 rounds, and before proceeding any further, we will take the piece of cardboard and cut out the shape of the circle. Keep it aside, we'll use it later on. Now, work single crochet in each stitch around, but we'll work only into the back loops of each stitch. You will have 40 stitches in this round. I'm working only into the back loops. From the next round onwards, work into both the loops, and this is the 7th round. Repeat this round 13 more times. Single crochet in each stitch, working into both the loops. The body is almost done. Now place a piece of cardboard that you cut at the base so that this will provide stability to the base, and it won't wobble after stuffing. Next is round 21. In this round, we'll decrease 8 stitches. So work single crochet in 3 stitches. Place a marker in the first stitch. And then work a single crochet decrease or a single crochet 2 stitches together. Now you have decreased 1 stitch. Repeat this around. Single crochet in 3 stitches followed by a single crochet 2 stitch together. So by the end of this round you will have 32 stitches. From this round we'll start working the hat. Remove the marker and pull the red yarn through the loop. And we'll start working using the red yarn. You can cut the grey yarn off. We'll decrease 2 stitches in this round. So work single crochet in 14 stitches followed by a decrease. Repeat it one more time. So you will have 30 stitches. Here I am working single crochet in 14 stitches. Then single crochet 2 stitches together, 1 stitch decreased. Now work single crochet in the next 14 stitches followed by single crochet 2 stitches together. 30 stitches in this round totally. In the next round work single crochet in the back loop of each stitch. In the next round work single crochet in each stitch, working into both the loops. You will have 30 stitches in this round. Now you can start stuffing the body. In the next round we'll decrease 2 stitches. So work single crochet 2 stitches together at the beginning. So this will be the first stitch. And then work single crochet in the next 13 stitches. Then single crochet 2 stitches together followed by single crochet in rest of the 13 stitches. You will have 28 stitches in this round. In the next round work single crochet in each stitch. In the next 10 rounds, you will decrease 2 stitches in every alternate round with 1 round of single crochet in every stitch. So in the final round, that is round 36, you will have 18 stitches. You can stuff the body with more filling. The body should be tightly stuffed, but the hat doesn't need much filling. In the next round also we are decreasing 2 stitches, but these 2 decrease will be done at the same place to give the hat a slight tilt. So work single crochet 2 stitches together twice and then work single crochet in rest of the stitches. Totally you will have 16 stitches in this round. So single crochet 2 stitches together 2 times. You can see it starts forming a curve at this spot, and then work single crochet in rest of the 14 stitches. So 16 in total. In the next round, work single crochet in each stitch. Repeat these 2 rounds 8 more times, decreasing 2 stitches at the same place in every alternate round. Fill with more stuffing. As I said, you don't need to fill the hat very tightly. Just a small amount would do. This is my 47th round. Single crochet, 2 stitches together twice. Place a marker in the first stitch. And then single crochet in the next 4 stitches. So that would be totally 6 stitches. Then work single crochet in each stitch. Cut off the yarn, leaving a long tail, and then weave the free end of yarn through all the stitches, closing it. Then you can attach the tiny pom-pom at the top of the hat. Now we'll work the brim of the hat. Attach yarn to the first stitch of the free front loops of round 23. Insert hook in the first stitch and pull yarn. Then make a chain. 2 single crochets in the first stitch. Then single crochet in the next stitch. Again 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this around. Finally join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Chain 1, and in the next 2 rounds work single crochet in each stitch. Next we'll attach the beard. So cut a few strands of white yarn, measuring about twice the height of the body. Take a strand and fold it into half and insert a hook into a stitch below the brim of the hat. Pull the folded part of the yarn through the stitch and pull the free end of yarn through the loop. Similarly, attach few more strands of yarn covering the front part of the face. Trim the sides and the bottom of the beard. Then we'll use this wooden bead to form the nose. Sew this wooden bead to the center of the beard just below the brim of the hat. To make the arms, take your red yarn and make a magic ring and work 6 single crochets into the ring. Then make 2 single crochets in each stitch. Round 3 is single crochet 2 stitches together 6 times. So you will have 6 stitches. Pull the grey yarn through the loop of the last stitch and work single crochet in each stitch around. In the next 7 rounds, work single crochet in each stitch. Then flatten the top part and close the opening by working single crochet stitches through both the layers. Make one more. Now sew these arms on either side of the beard. You can find the return pattern in my blog thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. I hope you enjoyed this pattern. Please give me a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.